Namaste children, chapter Basic Programming. In this chapter, previous class, what you have recalled? Yes, arithmetic operators. So today we are going to recall about string operators. So before recalling string operators, let's recall first what is string. So what is string? The text or numbers are given within the double quotes is called string. Okay children, so whatever we are giving within the double quotes is considered as string. Now we'll recall what is string operators. So look at this operator. What operator is this? Yes, plus operator. So the plus operator is used to join two or more strings together. This operation is called concatenation. In concatenation, the two or more strings are joined to make a longer string. Okay children, so let's do some more example program for the string operator. Okay children, for doing program, what software we will use? Yes, Basic 256. If you click this software, the window will be opened like this. Is it right children? So this is the program area and this is the output area and this is the graphics output area. Here you can able to see the tools, right? Have you know the functions of these tools? Yes, run. Run is used to run the program and debug, it is used to locate and remove errors in our program. Step is used to execute the instructions one by one. Stop is used to stop the execution of the program. Okay children, let's do the program. So see here, print Priya within the double quotes, Priya and Pavitra. We are using plus operator as nothing but concatenation. Next we are using within the double quotes or learning basic. So after writing the program, what you have to do? You have to check whether there is any error in our program. For that what you have to do? Yes, you have to click debug. So click debug. So it's not showing any errors. So there is no error in our program. So run the program to get the output. So see the output. Priya and Pavitra are learning basic. So the two strings are joined and printed here because of this plus operator. Okay children. Let's do another program. Print today the price of 12 apples is rupees and we are using plus operator within the bracket 5 into 12. So to see the output, what we have to do? We have to run the program. So click run to get the output. So see the output here. Today the price of 12 apples is equal to rupees 60. So today the price of 12 apple is rupees is printed as it is and 5 into 12 is calculated and printed here. Why it is calculated and printed? Because we are using BODMAS rule, right? So today the price of 12 apple is rupees 60. Okay children, so the two strings is added and printed here. Is it clear? Let's do one more program. Print the area of a rectangle of length 12 units and breadth 8 units equal to plus operator within brackets 12 into 8. Again we are using plus operator within the double quotes square units. So have you anyone guessed what will be the output? Yes, I hope you already guessed the output. Let's check. whether you have guessed right or wrong. So run the program. Yes, children, this is the output you are also guessing right. The area of rectangle of length 12 units and breadth 8 units equal to 12 into 8 is calculated and printed here as 96 square units. So these three strings are joined and we are getting a longer string as output. And 12 into 8 is calculated, it's because of Bode-Mass rule. Okay children, is it clear? Yes, the plus operator is used to join these strings. I hope it is clear children. Yes, let's see another example program. See here, print within double quotes I have apples and we are using plus operator, and within double quotes and oranges. Then print price of 20 books equal to rupees. Then we are using plus operator, 25 into 20. So let's see the output. Run the program. I have apples and oranges. So these two strings are joined here. I have apples and oranges. Okay, next. Print a price of 20 books equal to rupees. We are using plus operator, right? So the price of 20 books is calculated and printed here as rupees 500. Okay children, is this clear? Yeah, so that's all children. I hope you all understood the string operators. Is it right children? Yes, you will be receiving worksheet based on this. Try to complete it ma. Thank you.